Here's how to change the air filter on a Chevrolet Silverado. This is 88 to 98 models. So you probably have a wing nut up here. Somebody lost my wing nuts, so I've just got regular nuts and washers. Then pop the top off. Now at this point, it's a good idea to look for chunks. Like you can see, I've got sand in here. So you can either just pull this out, drop the new one in, and put the top back on, or you can unplug it here, this rubber snorkel, and then just pull the top off and shake all the dust out of it. You can see, can you see all that dust in there? There's a good look at what's in there. So rather than have that swirl around all the time, I'm gonna dump it out and clean it. So with that wiped off, we just drop it back in here. Put the snorkel back in here, it's just a pressure fit. And get our sexy new air filter out of the box. Swing. Good idea here to make sure they sold you the right one, that it's the same height. Because if it's too short, then air is going to go over the top and your engine's going to get full of sand. So goes on there like a butter. The lid goes back on. Washers, these nuts. And then I just torque those down with a wrench a little bit, and we are good. Now for extra double bonus points, it's got this pre-filter thingy. You can see there's a box that the air goes through, and it has a catcher in the bottom. So I bet there's all kinds of treasures in here. So to take this off, there's a bolt down here at the bottom. We just undo that bolt, which undoes this strap, and then we pop this loose, pop that loose, and take it out and shake it. So with that strap loosened, don't have to take it all the way off. Slide it out like that, and then let's see what's in here. Huh, really not much. So you might want to skip that part then, unless you've been really going crazy. Then you just slide it back into place, tighten that bolt, just put your rubber squishy piece back in the middle, which it condenses enough where you can do it afterwards. There we go, all done.